Tags help authors build comics faster in ComicBee. If you know that a character or prop is going to be used in a lot of your panels, tagging that character or prop in your storyboards will allow ComicBee to automatically replace them with full-color graphic assets and create Final Comic. This eliminates the need to manually replace or add in specific characters and props and create Final Comic, especially ones you're using often. In order to take advantage of character tags, you have to define your characters in your script. You'll be able to select the names of your characters for tags in a layout storyboard and create Final Comic. In a layout storyboard, select a basic stick figure character and assign a tag to it. Keep in mind that the stick figure's position will be inherited in Create Final Comic. Select the character's name from the dropdown. You can also assign tags to props. Select the prop and click Tag. Then write a unique name for that tag. Do this for all the essential props and characters that you add to your storyboard scenes. Remember, storyboarding is about finding the mix of words and graphics needed to visually tell your story. As you continue to tag, the tags you've already created will be available in the Tag dropdown. You can check that an asset has been tagged by opening the layer list.
To really speed things up, copy and paste an asset after you have tagged it. The tag will copy and paste with the asset. You can also pin a tagged asset, and it will keep its tag. Please note that individual assets shown in the recently used list are not tagged assets. You can also group individually tagged assets. The tags within the group will persist. But please note that you cannot assign a single tag to a grouped asset. When you have finished adding tags to all of your scenes, use the Preview Storyboard function to check that all panels are complete and that they are just how you want them to look. Then proceed to Create Final Comic. As the first step in Create Final Comic, you need to copy all of your storyboards into Final Comic. If you decide to go back and make changes to your storyboard, you will need to copy all of your storyboards over again. But this will overwrite any work you may have done in Create Final Comic. Let's take a look at the Final Comic editor to see what the storyboards currently look like. As you can see, they are copies of what was created in Layout Storyboard. Now, let's start assigning Final Comic character and prop assets to tags. Click Configuration. Go to the Tagged Items tab. Your character and prop tags will be displayed on the left. Let's start with our characters. Select the character's name, and then choose a graphic asset on the right for that character. Do this for all of your tagged characters. Now move on to your props. Use the category filters to help quickly find graphic assets for props. Please note that you cannot replace a tagged item with any custom graphics that you may have uploaded. When you are done assigning assets, we recommend creating a full backup of your project by exporting the project file. You can do this by clicking Export Project. Now apply the tags by clicking Apply Assignments. ComicBee will go through each scene and replace all of your storyboard graphic assets with the full color, high fidelity Final Comic assets that you tagged. This automated process can take a few seconds or minutes, depending on how long your comic is. For this process to kick off, you must exit the project. We suggest going to the project page or logging off while the process is ongoing, as you will not be able to make changes to your comic while tags are being applied. Feel free to step away for a moment and check back. You can view the progress by clicking on the yellow bell icon.
Now that all assignments have been applied, you can go through all of your panels to add backgrounds and fine-tune character poses and expressions. You will find that a lot of the work has already been done for you because of the tags that you assigned.
If you haven't already, please watch our video tutorial on Create Final Comic available on our YouTube channel.